What means control statements in C++? In C++, control statements are used to control the flow of execution in a program. They determine which code blocks should be executed and when, based on certain conditions or criteria. Control statements allow you to make decisions and repeat sections of code as needed. Here are some common control statements in C++. 1. If statement. The if statement allows you to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. If the condition is false, the code block is skipped. 2. If-else statement. The if-else statement extends the if statement by providing an alternative code block to execute when the condition is false. If the condition is true, the code block under the if clause is executed, otherwise, the code block under the else clause is executed. 3. Nested if-else statement. You can have if-else statements inside other if-else statements, creating a nested structure. This allows you to check multiple conditions and execute different code blocks accordingly. 4. Switch statement. The switch statement allows you to choose between multiple code blocks based on the value of a variable or an expression. Each case represents a possible value, and the code block associated with the matching case is executed. 5. While loop. The while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. The condition is checked before each iteration, and if it becomes false, the loop is terminated. 6. Do-while loop. The do-while loop is similar to the while loop, but it checks the condition at the end of each iteration. This ensures that the block of code is executed at least once, even if the condition is false initially. 7. For loop. The for loop provides a compact way to iterate over a range of values. It consists of 3 parts: initialization, condition, and increment/decrement. The loop continues as long as the condition is true, and the increment/decrement is applied at the end of each iteration. These control statements allow you to make decisions, execute specific code blocks, and repeat sections of code, giving you more control over the flow of your program.